Welcome to the Lexi AI training video series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create an AI blog for your blog website. Go to the left menu and click on AI Blog Generator. Here you can generate AI blogs for your blog website. Enter your blog title, or you can choose a title from our AI suggested trending topics. Language of your blog. Tone of your blog. Style of your blog. Length of the blog. Click on Generate and your AI blog will be ready. Your Generate blog will be saved in the Manage Blogs section. Here you can manage the blog. You can update the blog. You can use AI Content Generator to generate AI content for your blog. You can post the blog to your site using Post option. Just select the WordPress site and category in which you want to post your blog. And your blog will be posted on your site. You can view your generated blog on your site. Thanks for watching the video.